For folks, what you're seeing here is Huawei's yet-to-be-released HarmonyOS 2-in-1 tablet, the Huawei MatePad 8G, and ours is the Cloud Tin Soft Light Screen version. Wow, this box is really tight. Wow, it's covered in black fabric, so this must be the tablet computer itself. The packaging looks incredibly premium. Honestly, guys, this is the toughest protective film I have ever had to peel off. No, I'm truly serious.
A period of 2,000 years had elapsed.
The tablet's gone to get its film removed, so let's first check out the accessories. First, there's a complimentary microfiber polishing cloth. We've already seen this on Huawei's tablets, and it probably has a Huawei logo printed on it. This must be a keyboard, choking sound. It feels very premium to the touch. Next, on the very bottom layer, we have a C-port charging head. This data cable, man, feels like it's 2 meters long.
This 2-in-1 tablet has two parts. You can see the left is the keyboard, the right is the tablet itself. So, let's put the keyboard aside for a moment and look at the tablet. It's gunmetal gray with the Huawei logo printed in the center. In the top right corner, there's a circular camera module. What's quite unique is the bottom half. Look inside here. Doesn't it look like a heat vent? What's it used for? You'll be surprised to find that it can open up like this. Wow, it can open up to 90 degrees.
Look here again, a tablet with cooling and a HarmonyOS PC-grade processor, unleashing 28 watts. For a tablet, that's quite insane. Okay, next, let's check the front. It has a side fingerprint unlock right here. One press and you're on the home screen. You're now looking at a 49.2-inch 3.1K display. I can confidently say this screen offers an excellent visual experience. And you should know, as a tablet, its bezels are quite narrow, but as a computer, they're even narrower. It comes pre-installed with our familiar HarmonyOS 5.1, so the animation advantages you experience on your phone are also here on this tablet. But today, what we're discussing is swiping down from here. Look, it has a desktop mode. It's not quite like other phones' desktop modes. It's a truly genuine desktop mode. You'll see a very elegant transition animation.
Don't rush. Remember the keyboard we just talked about? Let's get it out. As you can see, the A, B, and C sides of this keyboard are all metal. The back panel, however, is leather, which feels quite textured. There are a few clever little designs here. Look, your stylus can be cleverly hidden right here, and the feel of this keyboard is just like a regular laptop, practically identical.
I have to say something about this trackpad. It's like the one on a MacBook, really good. Not purely mechanical, so it feels very premium. Now, we know this tablet has a kickstand at the back, so how do you attach the keyboard? Just snap it on and it sticks. Now, pay attention to its opening angle. This is how we normally use it, no problem, right? Like a magic keyboard.
You're even so ridiculous. Can it be like this? Okay, I believe no matter how you arrange it, it will perfectly suit your office. But you probably wouldn't do that. It'd look a bit abstract. Look, for example, if I sit normally like this, it seems very reasonable, right? And as for the computer, how should I put it? We used to see a lot on Douyin, where they'd show the smoothness using animations like this.
To be honest, we truly cannot see this on any other computer system. Now, if you use it, you can also have a professional version of Jianying. This interface is truly the complete PC version. But this time, we want to emphasize that besides HarmonyOS PCs and tablets, it can also run Windows 11. See here, two virtual machines. One is cloud-based, the other is local. You can choose yourself. All right, we're clicking Start. Now you all see the Windows 11 wallpaper, Windows 11 settings, and as you can see, I can even use the touchscreen. But honestly, if I were to buy this computer, I would definitely prefer to use HarmonyOS PC because it's truly smoother. And this time, this laptop has one particularly good thing. Its speakers are really, really excellent.
Let's just play a song for you all.
6 speakers.
Finally, let's take out the stylus. You should know the stylus and keyboard connect to this tablet via Star Flash. Indeed, we took apart the PC at 2 and have to send videos by 4, so we couldn't deeply experience it. But the impression it left on me was, hey, the screen is great, right?
The bezels are very narrow and the screen quality is high. The speakers are also great. The device's overall feel is excellent. As a tablet, its performance is strong. As a laptop, it handles light office work. And you should know, looking at this product today, only 2 companies can make it well. One is Apple, the other is Huawei. Because it has 2 key requirements. First, a custom processor. Second, whether tablet or PC, you need your own operating system.
I believe that a product like this could potentially have a much more promising future. What do you all think? Bye-bye.